Welcome to our video, Preparing for a Regional Office Visit. Why is it important to prepare for a regional office visit? For some of you, it may involve traveling a significant distance, while others might need to take a day off from work. We want to ensure your visit goes smoothly and avoid any frustration caused by forgetting a few important items, which could require you to make a return trip. This presentation will provide information to help you maximize your visit to a CalPERS regional office. Before we begin, let's go over a couple of housekeeping items. We've provided a presentation notes and resources document to help you follow along and reference later. You'll find the link for the document in the YouTube description box. We won't be responding to questions during the presentation due to the large number of participants. If you have questions, please contact us directly. With that, let's get started. Here is what we will cover in this video presentation. We will start with the top 5 things you should know before visiting a regional office. Next, we will go over how to schedule an appointment, then learn about the types of appointments available. Let's start with the top 5 things you should know before visiting a regional office. First, we highly encourage you to schedule an appointment, and we will show you how to do that in this video presentation. Secondly, if you haven't already done so, register for your CalPERS account and do this before your visit. Often, the best way to assist you is in your own CalPERS account. So make sure you have your CalPERS user ID and password with you. If you don't bring in your login info, we may need to reset your password. Please make sure you have your cell phone with you. Both the login and reset processes require your phone. Again, our retirement counselors are unable to register for a CalPERS account on your behalf. Another great reason to register for a CalPERS account is that you can log in during your appointment. Our counselors can assist you with navigating your account, guide you through transactions, and help you access the information you are looking for. Third, bring your government-issued photo ID. Unfortunately, there have been instances where people forget their IDs. For security purposes, our counselors will request your ID to verify your identity. Otherwise, they are limited with what they can help you with. Also, it's ideal to bring your spouse to your appointment if there are documents that need to be signed and witnessed by both you and your spouse. Fourth, generate estimates from your CalPERS account. Please bring your retirement estimate with you, whether it is a formal estimate that was generated by CalPERS or one that is done on your CalPERS account. If you've generated your estimate on your CalPERS account, make sure you save it so that when you visit our office, a counselor can access it and review it with you. Our counselors will not be able to generate estimates on your behalf. Also, make sure you read and complete any forms or applications and bring them with you to your regional office appointment. Please complete the forms to the best of your ability, and if you are able to, bring a trusted individual, someone like a family member or relative, to assist you with completing the forms. Our counselors cannot complete any forms or applications on your behalf. Lastly, bring a list of questions. To make the most of a regional office visit, we recommend attending CalPERS classes, whether in person, virtual, or self-paced online, before you make an appointment. These classes can help you identify questions specific to your needs, which you can then bring to your appointment. You can register for CalPERS classes from your CalPERS account under the Education tab. Also, bring any supporting documents to your appointment. Items such as marriage certificates and birth certificates to assist in designating lifetime beneficiaries. What happens if you walk into a regional office without an appointment? First, and the most obvious, is the wait time. The wait time can be an hour or more. Walk-in visits are brief, typically lasting 10 to 15 minutes, and may not provide enough time to address all of your questions. You may be referred to other resources to find your answers, like instructor-led classes or other online resources. The lobby does have a kiosk for you to use as well. Lastly, we may have to schedule an appointment in the future if additional retirement counseling is required. Let's go over how to schedule an appointment through your CalPERS account. CalPERS has 8 regional offices located throughout California, where staff can assist you with a variety of services and educational events. Our regional offices are in Fresno, Glendale, Orange, Sacramento, San Bernardino, San Diego, San Jose, and Walnut Creek. Pre-scheduled appointments are half an hour or hour in length, and we will discuss that in more detail in the next section. You can schedule an appointment in your CalPERS account. If you haven't registered for a CalPERS account, we highly encourage you to do so. It will allow you access to your personalized portal to your CalPERS retirement and health information. Also, if you have an account, you can reference your account during your appointment. Let's navigate to the CalPERS website at calpers.ca.gov and select the My CalPERS login button at the upper right of the page. Once you've logged in to My CalPERS, select Appointments under the Education tab. On the appointment page, choose the type of appointment you need and then select the Schedule an Appointment button. We'll talk about the different appointment types and how to prepare for them in the next section. Once you select an appointment reason, a description of the appointment will display and will tell you what you need to prepare for the appointment. You can select the Schedule an Appointment button. That brings you to the Select a Date and Time screen, where you will select the date, time, and delivery method, either in person or virtual, for your appointment. If you choose virtual, you'll then get the choice of either a phone or video appointment. The system will automatically default to the regional office that covers your area. The following slides will illustrate how to make an in-person appointment. You can scroll down the page to find a list of available appointments and choose the one that works best for you. Once you're on the Your Information page, review your contact information to ensure it's correct. Then select the Submit button to schedule your appointment. You can also schedule an appointment by calling us at 888-CalPERS, which is 888-225-7377. After selecting the Submit button, you will get a confirmation screen. If you made a mistake and you want to cancel or reschedule your appointment, you can do it on this page. Just select Appointments under the Education tab like you did when you first scheduled your appointment, and you will see your upcoming appointment with links to reschedule or cancel. Now let's talk about the different types of appointments available. Account Services is our generic appointment category. Schedule this appointment if you have questions about refunds, employment changes, establishing a power of attorney, and basically anything that isn't specifically covered in the other appointment types. If you are a retiree, you can select this appointment type for retirement check questions, direct deposit changes, tax withholding changes, and for reinstatement questions. These appointments are half an hour long. To prepare for your appointments, review the topic you scheduled your appointment for on the CalPERS website. Schedule a community property appointment when you have questions regarding community property. Schedule a disability retirement appointment if you are planning for disability or industrial disability retirement and have any questions. If you're ready, we will also review your retirement application, witness your signature and that of your spouse or domestic partner if needed, and accept your application. Disability retirement appointments are an hour long. To help prepare for a disability retirement appointment, please review our Disability Retirement Election Application, known as Pub 35. We also recommend taking the self-paced online class on completing the Disability Retirement Application package. Enroll in your CalPERS account under the Education tab. Before applying for a disability or industrial disability retirement, you should obtain an estimate by submitting a retirement allowance estimate request form. Having this information can help you make an informed decision. Again, the retirement counselor cannot generate an estimate at your appointment. You will need to bring your estimate with you if you want to discuss how the various retirement options may work for you. If you're retired or about to retire, schedule a health benefits appointment if you have health benefits questions. Active employees should go to your employers with health benefits questions. These appointments are half an hour. Before you schedule a health benefits appointment, please check with your employer to see if you have CalPERS health benefits. To help prepare, you can visit the CalPERS website and review topics such as health and Medicare, eligibility and enrollment, and life events. Schedule a service credit appointment if you are purchasing service credit and have any questions. If you are purchasing service credit or converting from second tier to first tier, we will also accept payments, if applicable. These appointments are half an hour in length. Before scheduling an appointment for service credit, please visit your CalPERS account. Go to the Retirement tab, select Service Credit Purchase, followed by selecting the Search for Purchase Options button. Complete a series of questions to help determine which service credit purchase types you may be eligible for, if any. You can then request the cost for any available purchase options online. Once you have the cost information, you can decide if you want to proceed with the purchase. If you decide to submit a service credit purchase request, you can view the status of your request through your CalPERS account from start to finish. You should also review the publication that deals with your type of purchase, whether that is Service Credit Purchase Options, Pub 12, or Military Service Credit Options, Pub 15. Schedule a service retirement appointment if you are planning for service retirement and have any questions. If you are ready, we will also review your retirement application, witness your signature and that of your spouse or domestic partner, and accept your application. These appointments are also a half an hour long. Please do the following to prepare. Review our online retirement planning checklist. Download the Service Retirement Election Application, Pub 43. Use the Retirement Estimate Calculator in your CalPERS account to get a retirement estimate and bring it with you. Attend a retirement class to learn more about service credit, your benefits, and retirement. Enroll in your CalPERS account under Education. Depending on your situation, you may need to bring a copy of your marriage license or a birth certificate for a lifetime beneficiary. If you are ready to retire, you can apply for retirement online. Schedule a survivor and beneficiaries appointment if you have questions regarding death benefits, application processing, beneficiary designation, benefits payable, and more. Here are some resources to help you prepare for your regional office visit. Log into our website to access a wealth of resources, including forms, publications, and educational videos. We highly recommend taking some time to explore these materials before your visit to make the most of your experience. Create and log in to your CalPERS account. It's so important that we are emphasizing it again. Having a CalPERS account is one of the most valuable tools you can use to prepare for your regional office visit. Additionally, don't forget to bring your cell phone in case we need to reset your password during your visit. We want to ensure your time is spent addressing your questions about CalPERS rather than troubleshooting login issues. Many of the answers you are looking for can be found in your CalPERS account, and our counselors will be happy to guide you through it. Your CalPERS account is also where you can generate and save estimates to bring with you to your appointment, helping you make the most of your visit. No matter the type of appointment you need, being well prepared for your regional office visit is essential. Preparation can save you time and help you avoid the inconvenience of needing to return for a repeat visit. Take some time to do a bit of research beforehand. and don't hesitate to give us a call if you have any questions. If necessary, we will be happy to help you schedule a regional office appointment. Before we end, I want to let you know that this presentation, like our previous presentations, is available as a video on our YouTube channel, so you can come back and catch what you might have missed. You will also have access to the link for the presentation notes and resources. You can access our YouTube channel through our website, calpers.ca.gov, or directly on the YouTube website at youtube.com/calpers. Our presentation today was intended to give you information to help you get the most out of a visit to a CalPERS regional office. To reinforce the information you have received today, I encourage you to take one of our member education classes. Enroll in your MyCalPERS account under Education. Please note that CalPERS is governed by the Public Employees Retirement Law. The information in this video is general. The retirement law is complex and subject to change. If there is a conflict between the law and the information presented in this video, any decisions will be based on the law. Later today, you will receive an email with a short evaluation. Please answer all of the questions, as it is important for us to get your feedback to help us improve these presentations. Thank you for taking time out of your day to attend this presentation, and have a great day.